Hello everyone. We are in Cool Springs Park, West Virginia. Look at this old steamer. Now that is old. Look at the tender. Look at that. That's the inside of the steam engine, the cab. All the controls. Tell me that ain't bad to the bone. I don't know how old this thing is, but I gotta say, it's pretty old. Other side of the steamer and the tender, and look at that little engine there. Look at that little workhorse right there. Another small steamer behind it. Here's a closer look. Inside the small workhorse. Now check out this little rail rider. Tell me that ain't bad. Is that cool? There's a front view. It's sitting right in front of that old steam engine. There's the other side of that old steamer and the little workhorse. Hope you enjoyed the video, folks. Thanks for watching.